Hey, it's Josh from onlyvpns.net. Binance is unavailable in the USA, UK, and a lot of other countries. The list is pretty impressive. You can still bypass these restrictions with a VPN. Today, I will show you a Binance trading tutorial with a VPN, and also give a list of the best VPNs for Binance. If you want to trade cryptocurrency, Binance is your platform. But there's a problem. Binance.com versus Binance.us has more trade options and more cryptocurrencies available, while other countries have no access to Binance at all. If you want to trade in full, you will have to resort to accessing Binance with VPN from a different country. Fair to notice that not every VPN for Binance will work. You absolutely need to make sure you are choosing a proper Binance.com VPN. VPN is not only required to use Binance in the US but also to protect you from scammers, phishing tactics and hackers that often target crypto traders. Thus, you need a high-grade encryption, strict no-logs policy and a big array of servers and locations to choose from. Those are your biggest concerns when choosing a VPN for crypto. Just a short reminder, if you need VPN for various purposes, please visit my channel. You will find lots of free and paid VPN reviews for your needs with discounted links. Let's start with a Binance tutorial. I'll use NordVPN here, but there are more options available. It's pretty straightforward, downloading and installing at least. After that, you have to log in or register. In the NordVPN's case, you can first register with your Android phone and get a 7-day free trial. With this trial account, you can continue on PC if you'd like. So, the next step is choosing a server. Honestly, a lot of locations will do, just keep off UK or Italy. They have also banned Binance. After your location is set and connection is secured through encrypted tunnel, all that is left to access is the website. And that's it for our Binance tutorial. Now, which VPN should you choose? Needless to say, you can follow in my footsteps and choose NordVPN. NordVPN is as secure as VPNs get, with a ES256 encryption algorithm to protect your details. You can use it on up to 6 devices simultaneously and have them all protected by this Binance VPN. USA users can connect to any of the 53 locations outside the banned regions to access Binance. NordVPN's no-logs policy is reliable as it was repeatedly tested by independent audits verifying its legitimacy. It helps that this VPN is located in Panama where no data retaining laws prevent it to keep their no-logs policy legitimate. Besides that, NordVPN provides adaptive malware and ad blocker protection feature, CyberSec, and a kill switch that breaks the connection if VPN malfunctions. And in order to bypass deep packet inspection and firewalls, there are obfuscated servers you can use. It's also affordable, offering both a long-term price reduction and a money-back guarantee. Remember the free trial, too? Just a short reminder, if you need VPN for various purposes, please visit my channel. You will find lots of free and paid VPN reviews for your needs with discounted links. You can also use Surfshark. This is a respectable VPN provider that has the same level of protection NordVPN offers, including the kill switch and additional protection features to just camouflage mode in case you have to slip past firewalls. Since Surfshark's HQ belongs to the jurisdiction of British Virgin Islands, the privacy-friendly location allows Surfshark to keep zero logs of your activity, which they reflect in their no-logs policy. With Surfshark, you have 58 countries where Binance isn't banned to choose for, making it a great VPN for Binance. Its strength in comparison is value. Surfshark offers unlimited simultaneous connections. With that long-term price, you get undeniably the best deal in the industry. To top it off, Surfshark has the same 7-day free trial that you can access through Android and iOS, and a money-back guarantee, too. But Surfshark is not the only premium VPN with a very lucrative pricing. Just a short reminder, if you need VPN for various purposes, please visit my channel. You will find lots of free and paid VPN reviews for your needs with discounted links. PrivateVPN is very much the same, both cheap and efficient. Binance users will appreciate the top-notch protection it offers, the same kind that NordVPN and Surfshark has, including the kill switch and obfuscated servers. While PrivateVPN is located within the 14 Eyes Intelligence Alliance in Sweden, that's not a decisive point. With the no-logs policy PrivateVPN has, it's clear they are not retaining any user data. PrivateVPN can be used on 6 devices simultaneously, and it even has 58 countries with servers, banned countries aside. That's what a good VPN for Binance needs. With the longest commitment, the price is going lower than Surfshark's, and there's a 7-day free trial to try it out first, plus a 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, VPNs are a very important tool for Binance traders, especially those from countries where their service is restricted. However, Binance administration has the right to freeze your account for suspicious activity or ask for identification. And this identification will be required if you want to increase your trade limit from 2 Bitcoins per day. This limit includes trading, deposit and withdrawing, so you need to be careful. If you do decide to get one of the best Binance VPNs, I've shared the link in the description, which you will save some big money as well. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to leave a like if this video was helpful, and subscribe if you enjoy our content.